Let's start. Today we will see how to calculate the daily range of stock in the Tradingview pinescript. This is an indicator function with name, daily range. First, we will calculate the daily high and low values of the stock. For that, we have used the security function. The first argument of this function is the stock name, the second argument is the daily time frame. The third argument is the high and low values of the stock. The bracket 1 fetches the previous day's data, as the current day would still be live, and fetching the current live data could lead to an indicator repainting issue. I have made a separate tutorial on the indicator repainting issue. The link to that tutorial is given in the description. The fourth argument of the security function handles the gaps. And the fifth argument handles the bar merge. Then we find the daily range by subtracting the low of the bar from the high of the bar. And finally, we plot the daily range. Let's add this indicator to the chart. The indicator has been added to the chart. To confirm if the indicator shows correct values or not, hover the mouse cursor over any bar, and note down that bar's high and low values. Subtract the low value from the high value. This will be the daily range. And this exact value will be shown at the next bar. So in short, the previous day's daily range is shown at today's bar. So that's it. That's how you can calculate the daily range of stock in the Tradingview pinescript. Thank you.